We'll do a simple grocery list use case here. I have my son with me. We'll do it collaboratively. And just so you're aware, we'll talk about a few other things while we're recording it. You open up the app, you just open up a new note, hit tap to record, and then you just start talking. So we need to go to the grocery store. What are the things that you think you need, Everett, this week?
I think I need some bread, cheese, sandwich meat like turkey, salami. And I heard about some hurdlers that also did pretty well.
Oh, cool. So I'm going to stop it. You'll notice we talked about some other things and as we are putting together the grocery list, and that commonly happens. But let's see what happens when I just structure that note using smart processing. It's going to use AI to try and understand what the note was about and then send it back to the user in the way that it thinks it would be helpful. So here it's calling it weekly grocery list and track team update. You can see that it has the grocery list in there, so it did pick that up, but it also picked up the conversation that we had on the track team. When you're at the grocery store, you can check these things off, uncheck them, and so on. But let's say that we're actually in the car now on the way in and we forgot a few things. You can come back to the note. You can add to the transcript. Oh, by the way, we forgot. We need to pick up sparkling water and also some carrots. Okay, and then you'd save this, and then you can restructure it. Here, I'm just going to update it, and it's going to compare the transcript from before to now, and then update the note accordingly. Should finish here pretty quickly. Okay, there it is. So you'll see at the bottom here, it added sparkling water and carrots. So this is kind of like on demand. You can have the list grow and so on just by talking to it. I want to show you now the difference between smart structuring, which takes all of the information that we talked about and tries to find a way of presenting it back to the user, to using a template. So let's say that instead of using smart structuring, I use the grocery list template to structure the note. Now it's going to tell me here that I'm changing the structuring method and that's going to destroy the content, which I'm okay with. But it's going to restructure it now in the templated form of a grocery list. Let's see what it does. And that's the grocery list. So you see it ignores everything else that we had talked about in the conversation and is just highlighting the things that are in the template. So that shows you in a very quick, simple way, in a way that we've used the app, how you can put together a grocery list very quickly and do it in a collaborative way.